everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney. And today we are at Primark and we are doing a little bit of Disney. I've wanted to go to Primark for such a long time, but it's UK based, and we went during the month of December to the one in Chicago, and I finally got to walk around, so I got some footage for you, and then at the end of the video I'll also do a haul of everything that I purchased while we were there. So they had the Christmas selection because we did go in the middle of December. The sweaters range anywhere from like $16 to $25, and then they had a bunch of t-shirts. Now, although they have so many prints and it looks like they have a lot of sizes, a lot of like mediums and larges are rare to find, especially in the ones that I wanted. So I didn't get that many t-shirts just because I couldn't find my size, but they had so many prints. These range anywhere from $14 to $16 depending on what it is, if it's a sweatshirt, if it's a t-shirt. And it's not just Disney. As you can tell, there was some Snoopy, there's some Harry Potter, but I came focused on only Disney because I knew they carried Disney products at Primark's. There was a couple of shirts. Now my husband put it beautifully. This store reminded us of kind of like H&M and Forever 21 meets Disney. So that's kind of like the quality you're thinking and the prices you're thinking for this kind of store. And again, this is the one in downtown Chicago. It's maybe 5 minutes from Millennium Park, so it's really close to all of that area. So I would highly suggest you come. There's more than just Disney, but obviously I only filmed Disney products. There's beauty selection as well. There was a lot of Angel and Stitch. I don't know if that's what they're coming out with right now, but there was all sorts of Angel and Stitch merchandise throughout the entire store. But this is the beauty section. They had beauty blenders. They had these like t-shirt PJs. They had quite a bit of t-shirt PJs, which is interesting to me because usually I'm more of a pant person, but I'm cold all the time. They had sleeping masks, they had makeup, and then as you can see, they also have Harry Potter. I was disappointed with the Harry Potter selection. It wasn't that big. They also had a princess collection. So again, you can see that there's bows, there's wipes to clear off your makeup. And then we go to the second floor. So there's actually 3 floors, and each floor has a bathroom, which is really nice. And they had all types of bathrooms, even non-binary bathrooms, which is really nice. And then in the second floor where the accessories are at, you can find bags and purses and backpacks, and I didn't get any of them. I'm really trying to reduce how many backpacks I have, but there were some really cute selections, and again, ranged anywhere from $15 to $30 depending on which one you saw. They also had socks and slippers that were Disney themed, and some jewelry that I did not purchase, but I wanted to show you really quick on it. There was so many PJs. Again, I don't know if it's because of the holiday or what, but there was a lot of PJs. PJs were a little bit more expensive than the t-shirts. Some pants were $18, $25, so PJs were a little bit more pricey. There was also socks. Those were about $6 to $8, and some PJ sets, more of these t-shirts that I'm very intrigued by. PJ sets, and then of course they have Grinch and others. Now there is a baby section, toddler section, and kids section on the second floor, but I mostly focused on me because, you know, yeah. But yeah, so then we went up to the third floor, and that's where the other department is at. So they had more Christmas sweaters. I will say that the selection up here, the quality was not great. They just felt like you could use them once and then they would lose their shape. And they had a couple t-shirts as well, but again, the quality just didn't seem as good as the quality from the first 2 floors. It was really interesting. My husband did end up getting a sweater, and that sweater already has a hole in it, so just be careful when you purchase. It's not very expensive, but it is very quick fashion. And then there was home and giftware. So they had some cup sets that you could give for Christmas. They had this little countdown that I actually saw on TikTok that I was excited about because it was on sale for $5. I don't even know if it works. I haven't taken it out of the box. Some Christmas ornaments, some baby Christmas trees. Again, a lot of decorations for your household. Some ornaments, but everything just, I don't know, it was cute. It was relatively priced, but it just seemed somewhat cheap. So I was a little bit disappointed with the quality of it. But again, if you're not too concerned about that, then it's great because you can buy quite a bit of stuff for not that much money. They also had a Christmas beauty collection, so I was looking at some of the sets because they were only $5, $6. But I don't know, nothing really caught my attention in this selection as much. But it was really cute and perfect for gifts for, I think, little ones more. And then there was more ornaments, more see-through ornaments. We did consider them, but we're trying to redo the tree, so I don't know, until I decide what the tree is going to be based on. I don't really want to invest in ornaments and other gift sets. But yeah, there was just so much happening. There was Coco sets here. You can see there's more Stitch and Angel. They were just the ones that they were showcasing the most out of all of the Disney merchandise. I feel like they had the most. There was plushies. The plushies were a little bit more expensive than I would have liked for what they were, but again, you can think anywhere from $15 to $30 on that. They had some pillows, some blankets, but I didn't like the fabric as much. Again, they're cute and they do what they need to do, but for me, the fabric is a big thing. I'm just so picky. I don't know why. Even when I was little, I didn't like the little princess dresses because I thought they were so itchy and uncomfortable. And even now, I'm still like that. Like, if it's up to me, I would wear cotton and sweatshirts all day. But yeah, so this is the Harry Potter section. It was very small, very, very small. I was hoping there was all sorts of stuff for Harry Potter because I've seen it on Instagram from the UK versions, but this store did not have that big of a selection. They did have a little bit of cookware, some molds. I wasn't sure what that yellow one was. Oh, is it I think it's a lightning. Now I figured it out. I think it's just standing down, but yeah, so they had some Harry Potter stuff, but nothing super exciting that I was like, oh my gosh, I want this. I was looking for the advent calendar that I had seen, but they didn't have any. And the store is really quite big, so anytime I asked an employee about something like, hey, do you have this? Are you carrying this? Where could I find this? They didn't really know, but I think it's because maybe they're like based on departments. So I don't know that they know what's happening in other departments. They had water bottles, plenty of water bottles, all sorts of shapes and sizes, nothing too expensive again. You're thinking 10 and up. They had some stationery items that I got really close to buying, but I really do not need any more notebooks or pens because I rarely use them. Everything I do now is virtual, so I did not need them, but there was quite a bit of cute stuff. Keychains, phone accessories, calendars, notebooks. There were suitcases. I believe this one was 60 or 80, somewhere there, and then more little plushies on the way out. So overall, there was quite a bit of merchandise, but I was disappointed with the quality of it, and that the range of the Harry Potter selection was a little bit disappointing. Hi everyone, this is Shirley from the present. I hope you enjoyed my walkthrough around Primark, and now we're getting to the haul section of it. I can't believe I have a Primark haul. Who is this? Who am I? But look how big this bag is. It's huge. But yeah, we got to go to Primark in Chicago. We went to Chicago to watch the Bears lose, but we went to go support them, and then we watched them lose. And when we were there, I was like, there's a Primark here. I can smell it. And so we went, and I finally got to see it. I've heard about Primark for so long. I went to Paris, and I didn't think to like check if there was Primarks there, and there were, of course. And so I came back, and I was so angry at myself. We went to Chicago. I did not go to Primark, and then this time I was like, you know what? Anytime I travel, I'm gonna Google it, and there's one in Chicago, so here we are. It's right down in downtown Chi-town, so yeah, it's right next to the Macy's. It's right there. It's huge. But anyways, let's go to the haul. I'm so sorry for talking. Okay, so the first thing I have is this big bulky thing, which hopefully is not broken. She did travel far to Arizona, but it is an advent calendar, but it is like a Ferris wheel advent calendar, so it has like the numbers on the bottom, and then you can tilt it. And notice how it was on sale. It says originally it was $28 when they first got it in the store, and then they went down to 10, and then they went down to 5. So I got it for 5. I was like, they had 6, and I'm hoping it's not broken. I'm hoping everything's good. I'm like skeptical, like, why is it 5? Are they broken? I hope they're not. I hope it's good. I will take it out of the box after the video and put a little thing like, it works, or I just lost $5. But yeah, super excited about this one. The next thing that I got on my second trip, because I went to return things and repurchase things, because the first time I was too excited filming, and I was like, okay, I need to go back, but this time like with patience. So I found this bag. They had stocked new items. There was new items the second time we went, and it was only 2 days apart. So it is like a travel bag, makeup bag. I don't know what you want to call it. It says Mickey Mouse at Primark. This was $18. No sale, no discount. But as you can see, it's like a clear tote that you can carry like this. And then when you open it up, it has a bigger tote. And I did empty it out because, again, this all went in my suitcases. So it has a bigger tote. It's like really big. Delicious. Smells like plastic. But that's the interior lining. I'm thinking of using this for like toiletries, and only when I'm traveling locally, like if I'm going to California and we're driving, or if I'm going to Vegas and we're driving and I have like that extra space to take stuff, that's when she'll come with me. I think if I was like going on a trip, I feel like this would be very, very bulky. But it has another one. It has a Mickey one. So cute. So excited about that. And then I got 2 of these. They're kid tambourines. I know, who am I? But I was like, I really liked it when I saw it. And I was like, I should probably get it. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it for baby Lila. I'm sorry, my video cut off while I was saying, a new baby. It was my alarm reminding me to put eye drops in. I just got LASIK. Well, not just, 2 weeks ago. Let me know if you want a video on that. That's a whole different thing. Anyways, I saw these tambourines and I was like, I'm gonna get one for baby Lila, which if you see my videos with traveling, I go to cruises with Kat, and her sister just had a baby. And I was like, now I'm starting to shop for baby stuff. And I was like, I'll get it for baby Lila, even though she can't use it yet, you know, it'll be like cute when she can. And then I kept walking and I saw it for $4. So they had a section where they were like normal price for $8. And then if you went all the way to the back of the store, they had some for $4. And I was like, heck yeah, I get to get me one and baby Lila one. But this is what it looks like. It says, I love Mickey. Look how cute. Let me hold this like this. I can't take this to the park, so I think I see something or get my students' attention. Okay, I'll stop doing it. I'm so sorry. But yeah, $4. Heck yeah. And then the rest is all apparel. So they had this print. Now this is from Target. Don't get me wrong. But they had the same print for some of their stuff, like PJ stuff. So it's interesting how Disney collaborated with Primark and Target using the same print. Interesting. I mean, I guess that makes sense. I don't know. But this is the first sweater that I got. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's a Christmas sweater. It has hearts and snowflakes and of course Mickey. And price-wise, I could not tell you how much it was. Price, I got it in an extra large and it is $16. Their sizes were weird, y'all. Like so weird. If you've never gone, I would say try things on while you're in the store, especially if you're not gonna go back, or do what we did and we tried it on at night when we got back to the hotel, and then the next day we returned, because so weird. So extra large seemed to be like my fit, because I like my sweaters to be kind of like this one. Like this is also a large. I like them to be loose and like end up all the way here and just cozy, you know? So I went for an extra large. I love it. $16, which is, I would say, comparable to Target, right? I think this one was 19 or 20 with 30% off. But you know, it's Primark. I had to get it full price. The next thing I got is PJ bottoms. I wish you could like go through my screen and touch them. Touch them. You can see it though. You can see the, well, that's not good. You can see it though. Super soft, and they have pockets. I don't know if it's my age or what, but I feel like I'm refusing to buy pants without pockets now. That's not a thing anymore, no. But yeah, super cute. These are a size medium. Weird, right? They were $15, very comfy. They came with a top, but I figured I didn't need a top. They do have like an elastic band. And again, look, this is what I mean. I can actually match it with this sweatshirt. See? And looks so cute for a PJ party. Look at Donald though. I mean, come on, so cute. But yeah, it says Walt Disney's Comics, and it has Pluto and Donald and Mickey. And that's it. I ran out of characters that are on these pants. Okay, moving on. I got this one that is not Disney. But why, Shirley? Because it was on sale. I sound like 18-year-old me when I first got a job. But it is a corduroy jacket. It is very nice. It's like a fuchsia pink. Like, I don't know if you've ever seen me in a color like this. I don't think I've ever seen myself in a shirt like this or a color like this. Like, this gives me my mom vibes when she was younger. Like, I feel like there's a picture of her dancing as she's like wearing this with like white sneakers and long socks. Mom, am I right? But yeah, I just thought it was cute. I'm gonna wear it like on top of a black shirt and leggings and sneaks. Easy. And it was $10. Originally, I have no clue. I couldn't tell you. $26. Originally $26. And I got this in a size medium. But look how oversized it looks. And it is oversized. Like when I tried it on, it's oversized. I think it's meant to be oversized, but yeah. And then the last thing I have is socks. I had to get these just for this one pair. Don't they get you? I feel like earring sets and socks sets always get you. They put like the cute one and then they give you two that you're like, I'd rather they just buy it individually. But it was $6 for 3 of them, which isn't bad. And my husband's like, yeah, it's not bad. But it has Donald Duck. These are the ones that I really liked. So cute. So cute. Imagine me at the parks. Well, not this year. I don't think we're gonna go for Christmas. I tried entering contests for it, but no. The next ones are these that just say Mickey Mouse. See, like, I could do without these. And then the last pair is pretty cute. The last pair would match probably that sweater. A little too matchy, but it's it looks like Mickey Mouse wearing like a little hat. These are pretty cute, pretty bold. You know, it could go with these. Pretty bold look. I don't know what I'm doing. And that's it. And in the bag, yay! Which was like $2. Woo! You have to buy bags when you're in Chi-Town. Yeah, this is $2. So take your own bags or buy reusable bags as soon as you get there, and then carry them around. Yeah. So that was the haul. That was Primark. Overall review, it was what I expected and less. Oh, I know. I was so excited to go. Like I was just like, oh my gosh, there it is. I can't wait. And we went and it was great, but I expected more. And I expected Harry Potter stuff. Like nothing of this is Harry Potter. And when I see Primark like on Instagram or, you know, TikTok or any other social media, I always see like beautiful sections of Harry Potter, beautiful sections of Mickey. And they had cute sections, but not like beautiful sections. And the Harry Potter stuff was very sad. I mean, there was a lot of merchandise as you saw at the beginning of this video. Maybe I'm just getting picky, like more picky, but yeah, let me know what you think. If you have gone, what are you thinking? Do you want to go? My husband compared the store to like H&M and was it Target having a baby? Or Forever 21 having a baby? He compared it to 2 stores having a baby. And I was like, yeah. Oh, Box Lunch and H&M coming together and having a baby. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed the haul. I know I had a great time going. Anytime I'm back in Chi-Town, I'll definitely go. Which is crazy because I didn't think I was going to be back in Chicago for a while. And my husband's like, I really want to go. It's against the Packers. I was like, well, we must. With interior motives, I said. But yeah, I hope you liked. If you didn't like, let me know why. I'm always here for improvement. And then don't forget to subscribe. We're at 1,000 subscribers. And I feel like now it's becoming a channel and I'm getting back to my routines now that I'm back from all of the vacations. And you can see all of the vacations. All of those videos are free for you to watch and you can see them and you get a little notification when I post something and it's great. It's cool. I hope you have a magical day and until next time, adios.